In today's video, we're going to be testing out these self-adhesive lashes, meaning you can put on these lashes without any lash glue. And not only can you wear them one time without lash glue, they're saying that you can wear them 5 or more times. So Lilly Lashes created this foam mink eyelash with a self-adhesive lash band that activates with your body heat. So they did reach out to me asking if they could send me a lash in exchange for a video testing out their self-adhesive lash band. And not only just to wear for an event, but also to work out in or do some sort of physical activity in to prove how strong their lash band and their like self-adhesive glue is. So I accepted the offer and here we are today testing this self-adhesive eyelash. And the style that I chose is Rule Breaker. I like how they say left and right on them. When I was first putting on like lashes and playing with makeup in high school, I definitely wore the lashes on the wrong eye, and I may or may not have worn them backwards in my graduation photos. These are like really tucked in there, so I'm gonna try to pull it out. It is a thicker lash band. These lashes feel really nice though. They're like really soft and they feel like real hair. I am gonna have to trim these a little bit. Oh my god, I need a mirror. That was actually like really easy to put on. And like, these are really beautiful. Okay, I just ripped them off again because I still think they're a little bit too long. And let's see how easy it is to reapply. If you hear any scratching, it's my cat in her litter box. It's actually pretty crazy because when you pull off the lash, it doesn't take off like your eyeliner or your makeup as regular lash and lash glue does when you like take it off and readjust. And it like went back on like fine. This is actually much neater than what my lashes usually look like because of the glue, and I never wait for the glue to properly dry before sticking them on my eye. So this is actually pretty perfect for me, or for someone like me. Second lash, and like this is how sticky it comes. It just like pops on and then it kind of like sticks, and it's like kind of gentle, but it kind of, if you push it on, I'm like so impressed. Yeah, baby, are you okay? Do you need me? What happened? Okay, so I've like put this on and taken this off like 3 times because I feel like I'm not getting it right, and I think it's still a little too long. Okay, let's try again. I love it. Oh my gosh. Talking about the application process or like the idea behind this, I actually really like it because so many times I'm going on about my day and my lashes would pop off in the corner of my eye because they kind of like fold under each other sometimes. I don't typically bring lash glue with me, or if I do, then you need a really tiny applicator like a toothpick or something to really get into that corner. Then you have to wait for the glue to dry before you can put it back on your eye. But with this, since there's no glue involved, all you have to do is like pinch it back on your eye, and you never have to worry about your lashes falling off and looking crazy halfway through the day or halfway through the event. They do say you can wear this for like more than 5 times, so I will be wearing this more than 5 times. And then after 5 wears, that's where the glue kind of runs out, and then you can extend the life by buying their brush on lash adhesive. So then you just buy their lash glue and then you can keep wearing these. I don't know how long you're supposed to wear lashes for, but usually after 5 times they get pretty grimy, for me at least, I'm pretty sure. So yeah. Now that the lashes are on, let's see how well they stay on. Gosh, if you guys have never watched The Nanny, it is so hilarious. Anyway, I did want to give you a quick update. The eyelashes are still on. The eye drops did not affect the lashes at all. They're still sticking to my eye. Even though it was sunny and 1,000 degrees outside, the wind picked up out of nowhere and it was the perfect opportunity to test the strength of this lash adhesive. I'd say these lashes are pretty windproof. It is the end of the day. Golf was very hot and very sweaty, but the lashes stayed on. They haven't moved at all, and it actually didn't get in the way of anything. Like, I actually forgot that they were on, and they're very lightweight. So we will see how they rewear for the next few days. It's pretty easy to take off. It actually didn't like pull at my lashes at all, and they kind of just stuck back in there. And my eyeliner's not super messed up like it usually is. So like if the lashes become uncomfortable, you can rip them off and not have to worry about like all of your makeup being messed up. So I feel like I was having some trouble putting this inner corner on, like it was on my lash. Usually if I use regular glue and I have the tweezers here, I can like, you know, stick it on, but because it needs body heat, even if the tweezers are putting it in the right space or like the right spot on my eyelid, you need like your finger there to warm up that glue to like activate it again. It's such a small area for me right there that it's really hard for me to pinch or like get a good grip on. So I did have some trouble putting this inner corner on. I'm not certain that it's actually fully on yet, but the rest of the lash is, so hopefully that's even enough to like keep it in place. But I'm just gonna go to a golf lesson right now and hopefully it stays on for that and for the rest of the day, because if it does, besides trying to get that inner corner on, it actually is much faster than using like glue and lashes, just because you don't have to wait for the glue to dry. After I took my shower, I did get my face quite wet. The eyelashes wall, they had a lot of water droplets on them. They didn't move, they didn't come off my face, the glue didn't budge at all, and I just gave it a quick blow dry as I was blow drying my hair to kind of like reactivate the glue. Not like I felt like it needed to be reactivated, but just to kind of help this little inner corner right here to kind of stick a little better. But honestly, like even though it's not perfect, it really isn't coming off, or it's not looking obvious to me that it's not fully stuck on. So yeah, I'd say it's sweat proof and waterproof. So you don't need to worry about wearing these and getting caught in the rain. Your eyelashes are not going to fall off your face. So this is day 3 and I haven't cleaned the lash yet. I will clean the lash tomorrow before I wear it. The lashes still went on, like they're still sticky, and I didn't have to like do anything. I just stuck it on and it stuck. It's definitely not as sticky as like the first time I put it on, but it's still like attached to my lash line and it's on my eye. There's finally an update. The inner corner of my left eyelash has officially popped off. It's not the most obvious, but I mean, it's pretty obvious. So let's see if we can fix it without any glue. I actually think it's back on already. So this lash is lifting up now on the inner corner, but I actually didn't notice this until I looked in the mirror just now. So that means it happened within the last like hour and a half when I went golfing. It's just kind of dangling off. So I'm gonna try to push it back in and see if it would stay. And yeah, it stays. So that's what's so nice about these like self-adhesive lashes. If the corner pops off, which mine often do, you can just like stick it back in without any additional glue and it's like kind of good to go. So I'm going to take off my lashes now and give it a little bit of a wipe down just with some water because I don't have oil-free cleanser, and then we'll keep on testing them. I am really liking the shape of these lashes though. Like I haven't liked a lash this much since the Cocoa lashes. I can't even remember what they're called. And I'm just using like a wet Q-tip and running it along this lash band to kind of wipe off any of that glitter, which it's not really going anywhere. And I'm just kind of like running it down the lash here just to get off any like dirt and gunk, I guess. I don't know how sticky they're gonna be tomorrow because after wiping them down, I'm a little, you know, they don't seem as sticky, but we shall see. Good morning. It is now another day to test these lashes. I think I've forgotten to mention that I do prep my lashes with some mascara first. These feel very like not These feel really like not sticky already, especially on the inner corner. So I'm just kind of like putting it on my finger to maybe warm up the glue. I don't know if you're supposed to do this or not. Yeah, it went on no problem. I'm very surprised still. Like it's been 4 days. Like this is the 4th day of me wearing this. So I don't know. I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna warm it up between my fingers. And it is still pretty sticky. And I really like how fast it is to put on because you don't have to put on glue and wait for the glue to dry and this and that. It's a lot less messy, especially because when I put on glue, I put on like a lot of glue. I don't really wait for it to dry, and a lot of times it gets on my contact, but with this, I don't have to worry about the glue getting on my contact. So the inner corner of this one has been popping off all day, essentially just looking like this. And it's not like the most obvious, but you can definitely see that it's popping off. And I would just push it back on my eyelid and then it would kind of stay for a while. So I mean, not ideal, but it has been a few days already. And I was sweating again. I was like very warm. What did it pull off? Did it pull off some like a tissue? What is that? A bug? Oh, it's just the glue. There is glue visible, but now it looks like the glue, it's like looking kind of chunky as if I used like a lash glue, like this piece right here. And it's not like you can rip it off, so I'm just gonna push that back on there and maybe move it towards the inner corner and hope for the best for tomorrow. Maybe that's why it wasn't sticking. Tomorrow would be the 5th wear, and they did say you could wear these for like 5+ times, so I'm thinking 5 or 6. Oh, and I did not warm it with a hairdryer, so I will do that tomorrow and see if that helps. The 4th and 5th wear is like not guaranteed essentially. Since I take marketing very literally here on this channel, it says reusable for 5+ wears. So I'm gonna try to see if we can get 6 wears out of it so that this isn't false advertising. So this one's much cleaner, but the glue is starting to like look a little chunky. Even after blow drying it this morning, I'm not sure how well it activated the glue. I'm not sure if I was supposed to blow dry it and then immediately put it on my eyes. It feels kind of like you're putting on lashes after you've already applied glue, like, and you've taken them off, and this is like the 2nd or 3rd day you're putting them back on. That's how sticky they feel, like not very sticky. It does feel like a strong wind can detach the inner corners, because I really do feel like today, especially, both inner corners aren't really sticking that well. The glue on this one's also looking a little chunky, like it looks kind of like blobby. There's like white parts in it that I'm pretty sure is just like glue. And overall, the lashes are looking a little rough. Rightfully so. It's day 5. I've been pretty rough with them. I've been golfing in them every day, and it's been windy, so they've been through it, but they also look like they've been through it. Like up close, it looks like the lashes are on its last leg, as if it's day 3 of your bachelorette weekend and you're just trying to get through the day and hope these lashes last just one more time and you feel as bad as the lashes look. That's what these are kind of making me feel like. But I do admit, once they're on, and again from afar, they look pretty okay. They like pass. So we'll see how it does today and tomorrow for their 5+ wears. But honestly, what pair of lashes lasts that long? Like I don't think I wear lashes more than like 3 or 4 times. Even the ones with a thick band like this. So, you know, 3 to 5 wears I think is a very reasonable amount. At day 5 though, I do prefer the regular lashes, like the non-self-adhesive, because then you could rip off the glue and it's like a fresh lash again, and you can kind of like clean them a little better versus this one, especially if I just used water to clean it. It really didn't do anything. I'm already impressed with these. Like, I definitely would just repurchase these already based off of my experience with them. But just because I hate misleading marketing claims and they say you can wear these 5+ times, I have to wear these 5+ times. So my lashes are actually staying on much better than yesterday. I did go golf this morning and it was quite warm per usual. And yeah, I had no issues. I think blow drying it actually did help reactivate the glue. Even the last 2 days, this inner corner was popping off like throughout the day, but today I have not had to touch my lashes at all. I even forgot I was wearing them. They weren't poking me in any way. They weren't falling off my eyes, so I wasn't distracted by them. I never had to touch or readjust my lashes. So if your lashes are popping off like one of the days, the following day just blow dry them and the glue will reactivate and stick very nicely onto your eyes. So it's the end of the night and I've had no issues with these lashes all day. So it's time to take them off, which is super nice. This is probably, yeah, the longest I've ever worn a single lash. So they're technically on. I mean, they're on. It did take me like double the amount of time to put these on because I just kept like readjusting them. They're looking really, really rough. 6 wears is plenty for a fake eyelash. And while they're on, I've like lost a few hairs here and there. And this one's kind of standing up right here, just like straight up. On the camera, it doesn't look too bad, but it definitely doesn't look as good as day one. So this is the last day I'll be testing them. I could keep testing them to see how long this glue would last, but probably no need for that because at this point you should probably throw the lash away. It's been through enough. Again, I had no issues the rest of the day, and while I enjoyed wearing them while I had them, it is now time to lay these babies to rest. I'm actually so shocked how well the lashes stayed on my eyelid, especially after the days that I would reheat the lash with a hairdryer. Overall, I really like them. It actually makes more sense for someone like me who doesn't wear lashes as often to get the self-adhesive lashes so I don't have to buy a whole tube of lash glue just for one use anymore. Now, if you guys are interested in picking up a pair for yourself, I'll have the link down below. It is an affiliate link, meaning if you do use the link to purchase anything on the website, it would cost no extra to you, but I would get a small commission from it. Anyway, that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time. Bye!